Hi everyone, how are you today? We are from Group 8 and now we will present our material, but before we get into the video, let me introduce myself and my friends. My name is Siti and my friend.
My name is Tara.
Here we will make a trackable.
On-screen text as a tool is shown. 1. Ethernet cable. 2. RJ45 connector. 3. Cable crimping. 4. Cable stripper. 5. Scissors optional.
Step 1. Strip the cable. Demonstrate things. First, take your cable stripper and remove about through the 3 cm or 1 inch of the outer insertions from both ends of the Ethernet cable. Be careful not to damage the wires in the source of the horse spring the cable.
Host can stack and the host address the virus. 1. White oranye, white green blue, white blue green, white brown. Host make sure the virus are straight and in the correct order. Test while ensure your cable work purple.
Step 3. Trim the wires. Next, trim the wires evenly so they're about half an inch long. This helps them fit neatly into the RJ45 connector. Step 4. Insert the wires into the connector. Now, take your RJ45 connector with the clip facing down. Carefully insert the wires into the connector, making sure they stay in the correct order. Push the wires all the way to the end of the connector. You should see the copper and the wires touch the front of the connector. Step 5. Crimp the connector. Once the wires are properly staged, place the connector into your crimping tool and give it a firm squeeze. This will secure the wires and ensure a strong connection. Step 6. Repeat on the other end. Now just repeat the same process of the other end of the cable. Test the cable. Once both ends are finished, it's always a good idea to test your cable. You can use a network cable tester to make sure everything is connected correctly. If the test is successful, your goal is to go.
And that's it. You successfully made a track internet cable. It's a simple process, but it's super important for networking. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it thumbs and subscribe. For more tech tutorial, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.